Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have to show you, I'm going to unbox a trade. So we swapped memory decks cards. So if you've seen any of my videos where I make memory decks cards, you'll know, and I'll show you one. There should be one in here. So let's go ahead and get this taken care of here. I already opened this, but let's see. It is a St. Patrick's Day theme. So let's go ahead. And this is from Tanya. It says, thank you so much for swapping with me. I hope you enjoy what I've sent. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, definitely St. Patty's Day. Oh, goodness. All right, we've got a couple things here as well. So let's look here. Oh, we've got a cute little charm, which is a lolly. Very cute. She made this. And then it's got some charms on there. Here's another, oh, here we go. A little charm there. So you can put it on, I'll put it on my happy planner. Who am I kidding? But you can put it on your purse. You can put it on keychain. It's just beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, I love it. All these great little pieces on here. And then this looks like it's a photo album. It is, and there's lots of good things in here. Oh, I'm going to save that. That's the memory decks card. Let's see here. We've got a little pinwheel, also handmade. So cute. It's just these little extra touches, right? So we've got a little pinwheel there. We've got some confetti. Fun, fun. I don't know about you, I could just sit and play with these for hours in these bags. I don't even take the confetti out. I just play with it. So, but these confetti pieces would be so great with like cards and stuff that I make, right? And then we've got a photo album. So how cool is that? Very nice. Now let's look here. This is the memory decks, and look at, she's put so much into this. We've got an, oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. So we got a little floral bead, some little green beads here, and they're held on by a little tag. What? Look at this. How cute would this be for like a gift card holder? Oh, this is ribbon. Adorable. And then this little guy. Oh, there's something here. Oh, I gotta move this. It's got her information on there. She's my age, and she lives in Alabama. How cool. I love that. All right, so now I have her information, and I could take my little memory decks folder here. If you remember, I did that one before, but I can just put it right on here. This is a little bit tougher, but once it gets on there, we are good to go. So there we go. And now we have a new piece for the memory decks. I love it. It's a little bit bigger, so we might have to play around with it, but also it fits on Happy Planner rings as well. So I'm going to take this off because it is just a little too big. But oh my gosh, it'll fit on a couple of Happy Planner rings, and I can just make my own. So I am excited for this. So thank you so much, Tanya. I appreciate the gifts, and I am looking forward to having you receive one that I do. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Beauties, thank you so much for sticking around and watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you later. Bye!